Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find about the matrix A in here. So for this one, we need to find coefficient in here. So number 6 I will put in here. Number 9 I will put in here. This one we have number 1. So number 1 I will put in here. Number 6 I will put in here. The next one, we need to find about eigenvalue of the matrix A. Now we need to find determinant of A minus lambda I in here. So matrix A, I will put this one cone here. Minus lambda multiplied by 1, 0, 0, 1. That's it about matrix I in here. So lambda multiplied by number 1, number 0, and number 1 in here. So we have number 6 minus lambda. Number 9 we keep the same, number 1 and number 6 minus lambda. So if we want to find determinants of this one, we have the formula in here. So we can apply this one and we have like this. This one equal to number 0. And now I will put negative number 9 go to the right. Then we need to put the square root for the both sides. So I will put this one go to the right, number 3 go to the left. So 6 minus number 3, so we have lambda equals to number 3. This one we do the same. And we have lambda equals to number 9. So the next one we need to find about eigenvector. So if we have lambda equals to number 3 in here, so I will put this one go in here. So 6 minus number 3, we have number 3. And then we have n number 1 and n number 2. Because we want to find eigenvector in here. So number 3 multiplied by n number 1, number 9 multiplied by n number 2. So I will put this one go in here. Then we divide both sides by negative number 9. And now we have vector n in here. Now we change n number 2 into this one. So now we have the first vector in here. That should be about 1 and negative 1 over 3. Now let's go to lambda equals to number 9. So we put number 9 going here and here. Negative number 3 multiplied by n number 1, number 9 with n number 2. So I will put this one go to the right. Now we divide both sides by number 3. So we have the second vector in here. So we change n number 1 into this one. And now we have the second vector in here. And now we have the final answer. That is about general solution. So we have C1 that is about constant number 1. And we multiply this one in here. E to the power of lambda t. Lambda that is about number 3. So we put number 3 in here. And C number 2 multiplied by this one. E to the power of 9t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.